it's Tia. Oh my god, my shoulder popped. My name is Tia and I'm gonna be making a video on how to curl my locks. I don't use any bobby pins, I don't use any curl rods, form setters. I just use my hair, no accessories. And so here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I actually found out how to curl my hair like this from another YouTuber, and I'm gonna link her down below because I can't remember her name right now. But yeah, I watched one of her videos and she showed how to curl my hair without like curlers. And the reason I wanted to learn how to do that was because I was being really cheap and lazy. I didn't want to go out and buy these things. I'm also really like clumsy, and I knew if I had to go and figure out how to, you know, curl my hair with the rods, that I'd give up and never curl my hair. So this worked out perfectly for me. I just finished retwisting my hair, and I like to do my curls with fresh hair, although that's not a requirement. Sometimes I'll just wash my hair and curl it without retwisting it, just so I don't have to waste time. Long story short. Anyways, so what I do is I take 6 locks, and they can go in any specific direction. I kind of like to keep them as close together as possible. But I'll take like 6 locks here, just like this, and then I separate 2 of them from the 6, and I'll wrap it around itself like this. You can see that here. And once I get to the end of the lock, I push it straight up. And that makes this row, whatever it is, tighten really well, so you get a really defined curl. So I'll take 2 more locks from the 6. Keep these in with the next set of 2, and I wrap it around itself again. Of course I did. What is it? Fun, exciting. Okay. And once I get to the end of this lock here, I give it a little push. It's not gonna go far, but I try to do it as tight as possible so we can keep the curl definition. And then, as you can see, there's 2 locks left here, and they're not gonna be able to, you know, twist around anything. So, well, not in the way that we were doing it before. So what I do is I take 1 lock and I go in the opposite direction of the twist we were going. Try to keep it as close to itself as I can get it. And then I'll take the other lock, twist in the opposite direction. So they kind of coil around themselves to the point where I can cross them and tie them. Tighten it. And here we go. That's that. I'm gonna do one more so you can see what I did. And we'll do it from here. Once again, I'm grabbing 6 locks. Awesome. And I think I want the very front curls to be the curliest. So, I'm gonna take the front 2 locks and start wrapping it around the other 4 locks. And then I'm gonna push it up. Make it really tight. Take the little tails and connect it into the next 2 locks that I'm twisting. So this is where we are. We're gonna continue that wrap around. And push it on up. Make it nice and tight. So we're here now. And then we have a little tail out here. Boop, boop, boop. And then gonna wrap in the opposite direction first. Keeping it tight. And then we're gonna wrap in the opposite direction. And we'll tie at the end. Okay. Dang, girl. Where'd you get this one? Okay. So, I will be back when I get to the end of all of this, and I'll show you what the end result is. First of all, this is cute. This is a look. This is a look, baby. A look. Okay. So, this is the final product. Lying. I'm lying. This is not this is not the hairstyle. This is what it's gonna look like before I take the locks out and make them curls. The curls for the fuck, every time. Every freaking time. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm back, baby. It's been a day since I put my hair up into the curls. So, this is what I'm gonna work today. I shall be cute, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna take it down. Show you where I'm at. Bam. Terrifying, isn't it? Take one down, and then I'll take the rest down, and you can see me as a bad bitty. Okay, sorry. So, I untwist, or excuse me, I tied it, right? I'm gonna undo the tie, let it come down. Boom, right? When I undo the tie and let those first curls down, it lets this loose. Boom, take that out. And I like to go with the direction that it did the curl in, just so that I can maintain the curl for as long as I am able. Boom, beautiful. All right, on to the next. Wow. So, you can see here, we get a nice curl down here, but the rest of the lock is straight. And this is the one that you started with. They're pretty much gonna come out like this. The reason I don't have an issue with it is because I have so many locks, so it's going to cover itself up as it goes. So you're not gonna see these straight bits as much as you see the beautiful, nice curls that came out of it. And it gives it kind of dimensions. So it's not just, you know, when you curl your hair and all the curls stay up here and you're like, dang, when is my hair gonna drop? That's what it gives me a little bit of leeway from that effect. So I'm gonna take the rest of my curls down and I'll see you guys in a bit. And last curls. Once again, I'm going in the direction Nope, I'm getting lazy. All right. Nope. 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 You just don't have to do it like this because I'm not. I'm not. Don't do this at home. Don't be like me. Please don't be like me. Okay. And outfit change. And pose. I'm doing it. I am. This is my final product. And it came out exactly how I wanted it to. Amazing. So I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for when I make more videos. It may not be hair videos, but it's gonna be something you love. And that's a promise. And that's a promise. Okay, so thank you so much. And I'll see you soon. Bye. You look good. You look sexy. Look at that curl. Dang. I know y'all hating right now. I know y'all hating. Where they do that at? Where do they do that at? Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. You do what you could do. You do what works. Duh. How do people even make YouTube videos? I just don't understand. It's really hard for me to sit here and talk to myself. Like, I'm not even looking at the right thing. I'm supposed to be looking here. I've been looking at myself this entire time. I need to get it together. But I will for our next video. Thanks. See you then. Fudge.